The Chicken Who Couldn't Stop Sneezing by R.J. Bright. He sneezed so hard the pig's hat flew and knocked it straight into the moo. He sneezed again. Oh, what a sound! The goat flew off and hit the ground. The ducks all quacked and flapped around. Then splash! They landed with a sound. The cow's bell launched into the sky from just one sneeze. Oh my, oh my! He tried to stop it, squished his beak. His cheeks went red, his eyes went weak. Then, choo! He shook the ground. Feathers flew for miles around. At last he stopped. No sneeze, no sound, just feathers falling all around. The farm was safe, the sky was blue, and Cluckington just clucked, achoo! Thanks for reading my sneezy tale. Next time I'll sneeze in a pail. Cluckington. Subscribe for more great stories from R.J. Bright.